Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this. Adam here with you on the Metal and Motors podcast. Today I wanted to introduce myself here and just give you a little bit of a background on where I come from. For the past 22 years, I have been a marine technician, a power sports technician, and everything in between. I've also been working in technical education at the local high school and at the local college. The high school wanted to start a new program called Intro to Metals and Motors, and they offered me the job to get the program started. And unlike most educators, I was able to create my own curriculum as well as produce shop projects for the students to work on, including disassembling motors, running them, as well as other hands-on projects. At the local college, I worked in the Marine and Small Engine Technology program, which is now called Marine and Power Sports. Being a former student in that program, my transition into that job was very smooth and successful. Most of what I learned and experienced there as a student, I was able to retain after all these years and put it to good use and improve on that. Outside of that, I have been largely self-employed throughout most of my career servicing boats, ATVs, snowmobiles, and other off-road vehicles. Throughout all of my years of experience, I feel there's a great benefit to being in this industry. If you like variety and if you like being outdoors, it's a great opportunity to have a healthy income. Being an educator in this industry, as well as being out in the field for many years, I've experienced many different views and many different things while on the job. I see a great future in this industry, and I want to do everything that I can to promote it to anyone who is interested in becoming a marine or power sports technician. The variety that you will experience on the job as well as the fun make it a great industry to be in. Off-road vehicle ownership is on the rise, as is the need for qualified technicians. And with that comes great pay and benefits as well as job security. Coming up on the Metal and Motors podcast, you will hear interviews from people in the service industry, as well as questions and answers and other information pertaining to this business. Please stay tuned for future podcasts, and if you have any questions you would like to have answered, please feel free to send them in.